Alright mate, you know what time it is, you know the drill. Time for another bloody vlog. Strap yourself in, crack a beer, you're in for a real bloody treat. Because there's a whole bunch of nonsense going on in this vid. You're gonna bloody sit down and enjoy it. Are you not? Can't wait. Good luck. Good luck. Yeah. Look at this girl's park, honestly. What the hell is that? That's the gutter. You're not even in it. Why is she so scared of the gutter? Gutter! Ah! Why are you so scared of the gutter?
Hi!
Look at his dog. Let's go. There's no go running.
So excited!
What are we doing today?
Not a lot.
Not a lot.
Hanging out.
What?
Yeah.
Are you crazy?
Just kidding. It's the biggest day here.
Oh, what? This fucking whip pen. Say we've got a bloody day sesh going on. And yeah, pretty keen. Should be good.
Right new, I love for seeing you wherever I go.
I don't properly know it's called Canon. That green light, I want it.
Got it. She's just here.
Cool. Hurry up! You must be taking a poo.
Shit's can you do?
Go, man!
Are you taking shit?
Yeah.
Oh, I knew it. Right, walk out. Wait, Shah, where are we?
Charlotte, call the Uber.
In the Docklands.
In the Dockland?
Yes.
I'm not going to talk
Cal
about
needs to go to the toilet. And
No, I don't need to go to the
Cal needs to do a poo.
No.
Cal is leigh 2.0.
Yes, yes.
That's not the main point of this story.
Yes.
That's not.
Let's calm it on the obscenities out
If you need me.
You don't cuff an Uber driver.
What?
That's harsh.
You cuffed an Uber driver?
Yeah.
That's so
I
bad.
wouldn't.
Are we in the vlog? Is this a vlog?
It's a vlog. Hey.
We should have vlogged the...
Do a dabble thing.
Jack, don't get me started on being able to jump from there to there.
Do it for the vlog. For the vlog. For the vlog. For the vlog.
Yeah.
You actually have to do it now, Jack.
Yeah, you know you have to do it.
There's only one way down.
What's Jack about to do? What's... Oh! Sent it for the vlog. Hey, are you riding Kearney? Don't you manage Charlie Threads? Right, just say good day. What happened to you? Daisy, just say hello. Oh, okay, there you go.
Hi, I'm Daisy. Lovely to meet you guys. You're amazing. We're in the Bronx right now.
In the Bronx? Look at you go.
Still, we've got it all. Welcome, pizza, slices, owl, hands, savers.
Well, Aiden, you're in the vlog. Nick, your beer. Well, give me it. Top, bottom, middle. Oh. Look at you go. That's your go, mate. Woo!
Will make you wonder why you didn't stay tonight. You feel? I don't know what's your environment. I say I said.
vlogging.
Oh, it's a video, dog.
It's a vlog. It's a
My
vlog.
dog is a video. Wait. So, video. It's a video. Wait. No, I'm much more. I'm about 300 friends. I don't give a fuck about this vlog. There's so much time in that. I'm not just. There was so much time in that. No time.
What is no time?
No time.
No, it's a bit.
VIP, I ain't allowed over there. I don't care.
Oh my god. He's switching at the end, that's not her apart.
Look at that.
On your mark, on your mark.
Oh, have a bit.
I was waiting for that weird.
Later with the vlog content. It's a different way of getting active.
Can we send these people an island?
If you want to look at that way.
Oh, send this to Brown Cardigan. What do you reckon, Ryan? What's your take on this? Oh,
Did you get that on camera?
missed it. Oh, you're in the vlog. Look at you go, you're so talented.
Sorry, it's Sunday.
Hello. Liana, it's your birthday. Hi.
Are we vlogging?
Yeah, we're vlogging.
Love you, Josh. Hi, baby.
Do you want any words? Oh.
Liana, we love you, you're a special girl.
A bit louder.
I feel like if
Melbourne Street Cruise. 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 Melbourne Street. Melbourne Street. Melbourne Street. Melbourne Street Cruise. What we do for recovery, but no. We love you, Liana. We love you so much, Liana.
Say with a little bit more excitement. Sorry. Can't try to.
Oh, okay. Why are you so excited?
Every time I hear this groove, it makes me wanna move. Must be the feeling it brings to you that makes you do what you do.
All that matters is we're going to eat us, make it all sense. We're hanging. Let's go, baby. You want free food?
I ain't no snitch, cops I don't trust them. I ain't no bitch, all I do is run.
Dearest Bridget, I love you a lot and I hope you had a beautiful 21st birthday. Lots of love from Laura.
And Matthew. Right, Matthew. Don't call me Colin.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Josh Brandman, for filming this. Josh Brandman visuals, link in the description. Subscribe.
Thanks very much for watching this. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.
I was stunting, keep that shit 100. If it ain't about the money, then it's not up for discussion. If it ain't about progress, ain't about success.